Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss close packing in crystalline solid. Close packing in crystalline solid are three types. The solid structure form 3D structure in three sets. First of all, I would like to explain the coordination number of solid. Coordination number Cn, it is represented as Cn. It is defined as number of spheres which are touching a selected sphere called coordination number. I will explain it through the model. See here, this center atom touch with six another atom. This center atom touch with these six other atom. Therefore, the coordination number of this atom is 6. Like this. इस मॉडल से हम ये समझ सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से कि अगर हम सेंट्रल एटम को कंसीडर करें, सेंट्रल स्फीयर को कंसीडर करें, एटम, मॉलिक्यूल और आयन ऑफ द सॉलिड स्टडीड एज अ स्फीयर एज वेल एज एटम. तो इस एटम से, जो सेंटर एटम से डायरेक्टली टच स्फीयर्स आर 6. ड्यू टू दैट रीजन द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ दिस सेंट्रल एटम, दिस सिलेक्टेड एटम इज 6. Clear? In case of crystalline solid, three types of close packing is present. In case of the 2D, the particles or spheres are arranged in a row along the axis and form the edges. The particles and spheres are arranged in a row and touching to each other and form edges, or along the axis and form the edges XX, YX, एक्सिस पर अरेंज होकर पार्टिकल एक रो में अरेंज होते हैं. दे आर टचिंग टू ईच अदर. This is the selected particle and touching spheres are 2. The coordination number equal to 2. In case of the 2D arrangement, the particles are arranged in a row along the axis and form the edge. Edges form कर रहे हैं और इनका coordination number 2. ये जो coordination number है of 1D 2. So we have to remember that point. Now in case of the 2D, now in case of the 2D, the solid are arranged two-way. The solids are arranged two-way. Close packing in 2D arrangement. In 2D arrangement, the solids are arranged in two-way. First is square close packing फर्स्ट पैकिंग है हमारी स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग। See the arrangement sincerely. In these types of the arrangement, the particles of the second row just above to, exactly above to first row. This is the first row, and the particles of second row just exactly or just above to first row. ये फर्स्ट रो है, ये सेकेंड है, and the particles of third row also exactly above the second row. This is the selected atom. The coordination number of this atom 6. ये जो एटम हमारे पास है इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हमें दिखेगा 4, because the directly touch atom is called coordination number 1, 2, 3, 4. By connecting the centers of these spheres, a square is formed. Due to that reason, it is called square close packing. By connecting the centers of these spheres, a square is formed. Due to that reason, this packing is known as square close packing. In this packing, the coordination number equal to 4. Second is packing fraction. Packing fraction equal to 52%. What is the packing fraction? The volume of the one unit cell occupied by the spheres is called packing fraction. कोई भी वन यूनिट सेल है उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो वॉल्यूम में से कितना वॉल्यूम हमारा एटम कवर कर रहे हैं, हमारे जो एटम्स हैं वो कितना वॉल्यूम कवर कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन. एंड द अनऑक्युपाइड empty space is called void or site. Unoccupied volume, empty space is called volume, void or site. Third point is spheres of second row are exactly above the first row. Fourth point is two rows show vertical and horizontal alignment. These points, so we have to learn these points, so we have to remember these points. These points are remember. Close packing in 3D. In 3D arrangement, three types of the close packing is present. One is hexagonal close packing HCP. Second is cubic close packing CCP, and third is BCC, body centered cubic close packing. These close packing explained one by one. First close packing is hexagonal close packing. The hexagonal 2D arrangement give the base for the 3D arrangement of solid. hexagonal close packing of 2D arrangement give the base for 3D arrangement of solid. Take 3D arrangement in case of hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing in 3D. In case of the 3D close packing, in case of hexagonal close packing, take 2D hexagonal close packing as a first layer. 2D hexagonal close packing as a first layer. इसके लिए हमें जो 2D हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग है वो 3D हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग के लिए, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ द 3D पैकिंग के लिए बेस अरेंजमेंट देती है. तो टेक 3D हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग एज अ फर्स्ट लेयर, एंड द स्फीयर्स ऑफ द सेकंड लेयर आर प्लेस्ड in diffraction of first layer. These are the diffraction of the first layer. ये फर्स्ट लेयर के डिप्रेशन हमें यहाँ दिख रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट लेयर के डिप्रेशन के अंदर हम सेकंड लेयर को अरेंज कर रहे हैं. द स्फीयर्स ऑफ द सेकंड लेयर, द स्फीयर्स ऑफ द सेकंड लेयर प्लेस्ड, द स्फीयर्स ऑफ द सेकंड लेयर, yellow layer is the first layer, pink layer is the second layer, and the spheres of the second layer placed in the diffraction of the first layer. Clear? It can seem that the spheres of the second layer not aligned, shows the different aligned with the first layer. Therefore, it marked as B. Therefore, it marked as B. It can be seen that the spheres of the second layer, the spheres of the second layer shows the different alignment with spheres of the first layer. देखिए ये फर्स्ट लेयर है और इसके डिप्रेशन में हमने सेकंड लेयर को अरेंज किया, और ये जो अलाइनमेंट है ये स्ट्रेट सीधा अलाइनमेंट शो नहीं कर रहा है, स्ट्रेट सीधा अलाइनमेंट शो नहीं कर रहा है, ये डिफरेंट अलाइनमेंट शो कर रहा है. देयरफॉर द येलो लेयर मार्क्ड फर्स्ट लेयर एंड पिंक लेयर मार्क्ड सेकंड लेयर. क्लियर? Whenever we placed the spheres of the second layer over the trigonal void of first layer, this is the trigonal void of first layer. इस ट्राइगोनल वॉइड पर अगर हम सेकेंड लेयर की स्फीयर्स अरेंज करते हैं और इन तीनों स्फीयर्स को टच कर देते हैं, सेंटर ऑफ दीज थ्री स्फीयर्स, 1 2 3, these three spheres and this is the fourth spheres, and touch the centers of these four spheres, a tetrahedron is formed and the present void is known as tetrahedral void, like this. The center of these three and this sphere fourth, this void is called tetrahedral void. फर्स्ट लेयर की ट्राइगोनल वॉइड पर अगर हम सेकेंड लेयर के स्फीयर्स को प्लेस करते हैं, whenever the spheres of the second layer placed just above the trigonal void, depression of first layer, and we join the center of these 1 2 3 4 and 4 center of these, like this, center of these four spheres, a tetrahedron is formed. A tetrahedron is formed, and forming void is known as tetrahedral void. Clear? Now, the tetrahedral void of the second layer. This is the tetrahedral void of the second layer, covered with the help of spheres of the third layer. Then the spheres or atom of the third layer vertically aligned with first layer. Due to that reason, this arrangement is known as AB arrangement, because the first layer and second layer are different and the third layer is similar to the first layer, like this. इस स्फीयर को मैच कीजिए जरा, स्ट्रेट आ रहा है कि नहीं? ये स्ट्रेट आ रहा है तो वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट शो कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स द अरेंजमेंट इज रिपीट. दैट ड्यू टू दैट रीजन द थर्ड लेयर इज सिमिलर टू द फर्स्ट लेयर. देयरफॉर दिस अरेंजमेंट इज नोन एज AB टाइप्स ऑफ द अरेंजमेंट. इन 3D हेक्सागोनल अरेंजमेंट इज AB टाइप्स ऑफ द अरेंजमेंट. क्लियर? तो हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है कि हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट लेयर, सेकेंड लेयर, थर्ड लेयर ऑफ 2D. This void is covered by the second layer. And this void is covered by the third layer. Therefore, this and this spheres are aligned to each other. Due to that reason, the third layer is similar to the first layer. So, this arrangement is known as AB types of the arrangement. AB types of the arrangement. Packing fraction equal to 74%. Coordination number equal to 12. पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन इसमें ज्यादा है, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इसमें 12 है. किस तरह से कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर है? तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. हेक्सागोनल क्यूब में ये जो 12 कॉर्नर है, 12 कॉर्नर का 1/6 शेयर होता है 1 यूनिट सेल में. 1 एटम इज सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर, सेंटर ऑफ द फेस, and 3 atom are present here and another 3 atom also present here, another unit cell की. तो ये जो हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर है 3 here, 6 here and 3 here, ये प्लेन में है, ये बिलो द प्लेन, ये above the plane. Total coordination number 6. The number of particles in hexagonal cube are 12 particles are present at corner. 1/6 particle, 1/6 part were used in 1 unit cell. These 3 particles are present. The particle is present at corner of hexagonal cube. Corner of hexagonal cube contribute 1/6 part in 1 cube. The total number of particles at the corner of hexagonal cube are 12 and their contribution is 6 1/6, and the particles which present center of the cube, these three particles are using contribute, whole particle are contribute in this unit cell. So 1 into 3 plus the particle which present at the face, of this unit cell, 1/2 part will used in one unit cell. The total particles of the face are 2 and 1/2 part contribute in one unit cell. The total number of particles are 2 plus 3 plus 1, total 6. The 6 particles present in hexagonal cubic unit cell. Only 6 particles are present in hexagonal cubic unit cell. And the coordination number of this unit cell is 12, like this. This is the first plane, and these three particles are these three particles locate here as a orange ball, and this is the second hexagonal arrangement, this arrangement, and the another 3 particles are present here. 3 particles are present below the above the plane, and 6 particles are present in the plane, and 3 particles are present below the plane. 3, 6, 9 and 3, 12. Therefore, the total number of coordination number of this types of the unit cell, 12. Next, close packing in 3D. Cubic close packing. Cubic close packing in 3D. In cubic close packing, the third layer is different to the first and second. In cubic close packing, the third layer is different to the first and second layer. This is the first layer of hexagonal close packing of 2D. जो 2D हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग है वो 3D के लिए बेस क्रिएट करता है. दिस इज द बेस टेकन फ्रॉम 2D अरेंजमेंट. एंड द सेकेंड लेयर, द स्फीयर्स ऑफ द सेकेंड लेयर प्रेजेंट fit in the depression of the first layer, and the spheres of the third layer are present in the depression of second layer. This types of arrangement. Therefore, the first, second and third layer are different. Due to that reason, this types of the arrangement is known as ABC. This mark is A, this mark is B, this mark is C. So ABC types of the arrangement is present in cubic close packing in 3D. In case of the 3D, the octahedral void of second layer, the octahedral void of the second layer is covered by the spheres of the third layer. This is the octahedral void. देखो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट वॉइड आपको दिख रही होगी. दिस वॉइड इज ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड. तो इसके ऊपर जो हम एक स्फीयर रखेंगे थर्ड लेयर का, जो इसे क्लोज करेगा, तो द फर्स्ट लेयर एंड थर्ड लेयर आर डिफरेंट. दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट अलाइन टू ईच अदर. ये एक दूसरे से अलाइन नहीं है. तो ABC टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्थ लेयर इज सिमिलर टू द फर्स्ट. Due to that reason, ABC types cubic close packing in 3D. So ABC types of the arrangement is present. Packing fraction 12, coordination number, पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन 74, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 12. इसमें एग्जाम्पल की बात करते हैं या मैलिबिलिटी एंड डक्टिलिटी की बात करते हैं, तो ये मोर मैलिएबल एंड डक्टाइल. ये मेलिबिलिटी ज़्यादा शो करते हैं। और इसके एग्जाम्पल की बात करते हैं तो कॉपर, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड। कॉइनेज मेटल हैव द CCP क्लोज पैकिंग, CCP क्लोज पैकिंग। कॉइनेज मेटल्स में CCP क्लोज पैकिंग प्रेजेंट होती है। तो कॉइनेज मेटल हैव द CCP क्लोज पैकिंग इन 3D। तो these points, we remember these points, we remember these points because these points are enough to solve the problem. We have to remember these points, they are sufficient for solving the problem. These close packing summarized as HCP, CCP एंड DCC। इस टेबल को आपने याद कर लिया तो सब कुछ सफिशिएंट है इसके लिए। थ्री पैकिंग ऑफ क्लोज पैकिंग, 3D arrangement of close packing in solid are summarized as there are three types of the close packing. One is hexagonal close packing, CCP, cubic close packing and body centered cubic close packing. Arrangement of this packing close packed, close packed, ये highly close packed होते हैं। जब पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगा ग्रेटर पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन शो करते हैं और वॉइड इसमें कम होती है। तो नंबर ऑफ वॉइड्स हैं, स्पेस ऑफ द वॉइड है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉइड है, वो कम होती है। टाइप ऑफ पैकिंग AB types of the packing is present in whole crystal. ABC packing is present in whole crystal. AB packing is present in whole crystal. That means the third layer is similar to the first layer. In this packing, the third layer is different to the first layer and fourth layer is similar to the first layer. In cubic close packing, the spheres of the third layer are present in depression of the spheres of the second layer. That means the octahedral void of the second layer is covered by the spheres of the third layer. Due to that reason, these layers are different. They does not show any types of the alignment, and the fourth layer is similar to the first. Due to that reason, they show the AB types of arrangement in whole crystal like this. In case of BCC arrangement, the AB arrangement is present in whole crystal. The coordination number of this types of the close packing is 12. 12 is also here, and the coordination number of BCC arrangement, BCC close packing 8. The packing fraction, what is the packing fraction? The volume of one unit cell which covered by the atoms or spheres is called packing fraction. The volume of one unit cell which covered by the atoms or spheres is called packing fraction. 74% of volume of one unit cell is covered by the CCP arrangement. Also 74% volume covered by CCP arrangement and 74% in SCP arrangement, and 68% is covered by in BCC arrangement. Therefore, it is not close packed. This void is not closed. This arrangement is not close packed. The number of atoms per unit cell में number of atoms कितना होंगे? In case of the HCP, total number of atoms in per unit cell are 6, there 4 or 2. Only 2 particles are present in 1 unit cell of body centered cubic close packing. In cubic close packing 2 atoms are present in 1 unit cell. Example are magnesium and Zn, etc. Copper, silver and gold. These are the coinage metal. They are the example of CCP arrangement. Due to the presence of CCP arrangement, they are more ductile and malleable. They are more ductile and malleability and ductility in these atoms is greater due to the presence of the CCP arrangement. In example of DCC arrangement are lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. The summarized form of cubic arrangement or HCP arrangement in close packing of solid in 3D. Thank you for watching.